So these end beams here, you put in first. You put in the ends. This other side's not going to have this. So you're going to have the ends, and then you put in the shiplap, and then you put in you build the next beams over the shiplap. And maybe we can talk another time why I do it that way. But it's the best because of the way the joists run. Over here. Okay, so here's the shiplap. So this is the wall. Okay. And then down here, you have a 3/4 inch solid wood cap. And then on the side, you have a 1/2 inch plywood. So 1/2 inch plywood goes into 3/4 inch cap. Now, so really you have an L, right? And then the wall, so the L will connect to both sides. Now, so you need a way to attach this, and there's probably several ways. I think this is the easiest. So I'm going to put a piece of plywood here between the ceiling and where this is going to go, and then here. And then I'm going to attach it with nails here and here. If I remember right, those are at a 12-degree angle. So I always forget. I think though that gets you going down. All right, this angle is roughly 11 3/4. This is a cut to, I forget what, 12 1/4 degrees, not anything else. So, and then this is good, somewhere between 12 1/4, 12. All right, so you can see that on this right side, over here, wherever it is, over here, that when I go to actually do the beam, I need to tighten up the angle a little bit. Okay, so here's what we did. I took the same angle, which was 12 1/2, and made a cut in a board that's about half the size of the wall, and took the 12 1/2 angle. Let's see if we can get a zoom on this thing. There, somewhere in there, there's a 12 1/2 angle, and it goes all, this is awful, and it goes all the way up. Come on, let's, oh, there we go. Okay, we just attached half of this. And there's the second piece in with the angle the same as the other side. So here's what we just did. And this piece is 4 3/4 by 3/4. The piece we're going to put up now is going to be this, and the ultimate goal is from this way and this way, it's going to be 5 by 5. 3/4 inch cap, 1/2 inch, like a face piece. So now I have to account for this 3/4 already in and get it to 4 1/2. So is that 3 3/4? I think it is, but let's check. Plus 3/4. Not that that's going to help me, but it is. Okay, and then that should be right. The top is on now, and right. So let's see here. Okay, so the faux beam, once I make it, it's going to go here, out, and up, and attach here. It's going to attach here and here. So you'll see I'm going to build this out with another 3/4 little strip, just so I have something to tack into in case, just so I don't have to hug the wall so tight. And voila, we have the second piece. And here's what we got. So you got 2 strips here, so you have 1.5 inches to play with, both above and below. And that's it. So on to the other side, but that's going to do it for this video.